guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Maya and this is my channel. I have been gone for such a long time and I'm ashamed. I'm so sorry that I've been gone for like 2 years, but I am finally back and I have so much planned for content and I'm so excited. There's been lots of changes since the last time I filmed a video. Starting with, you probably can tell, but I've lost some weight. I actually got the VSG procedure where they cut a portion of your stomach and you can't really eat. It's restrictive. But I've lost weight. I am feeling so good, healthy, new job. So there's been a lot of new things happening and I am so excited to be coming back onto this channel and I just can't wait to bring you on this journey. I'm going to have lots of variety in my videos. So it's going to all come back to faith, hair, beauty, VSG. So like weight loss, fitness, that kind of thing. So I'm very excited about this. Again, I apologize for being gone for 2 years. There's nothing really dramatic that's happened as far as like, I don't know. I just wasn't really in the mood to film, but I always thought about it because I've always wanted to be a full-time YouTuber. This is definitely a dream of mine, so I want to put all that I can into this channel. That way, one day I maybe can be a full-time YouTuber. So, yeah, thank you so much for watching and thank you for subscribing. For some reason people still subscribe to me even while I was gone. I think I went from like 498 to 622 and I barely do anything on here, so that's pretty cool. But I'm not gonna stop until yeah, this dream happens for me. So I'm very excited. Thank you again for watching. And again, for people that are new, my name is Maya. And I make videos and content about faith, hair, curly hair, natural hair, newly VSG since I just got the procedure, and I'm going to go into detail about that in my whole surgery day. I was planning on coming on here before this time. I was going to start filming in March, but that didn't happen. I procrastinated and it was just like a fear thing, just afraid to not know how to work my new camera. I have a Canon 90D, so it's a little bit different than the one that I had before. I have all these lights. It's just, I was just nervous to get back up here, but I finally just did it and I'm so happy to be back. But so I'm sorry, faith, curly hair, natural hair, VSG. I'm going to show you what I eat in a day, my fitness journey. I'm going to do try-on hauls, so I'm so excited. This is actually a dress from Amazon. I think it's a extra large from Amazon, just a normal dress. I think it may have been $25 or something. Comes in lots of different colors. And did I say beauty? Hair, beauty, VSG, faith, yeah, those 4 things. So I hope that my channel, number one, inspires you and encourages you, and I hope that my channel is a place where you can feel that you can come to just feel loved and feel appreciated, because I want everyone to know that number one, they're beautiful, number two, that they are loved and that God loves them so much, and that if they're going through something, I hope that I'm able to uplift their spirits. So that's what my channel is, and I definitely want to bring more positivity to the natural hair community, because at first the natural hair community was very positive. We were all learning, we were all, you know, but somewhere, somehow it got a little mixed up, and it's just been some drama that I'm not sure what's going on. But I'm here to bring the fun back to natural hair, positivity here. I'm going to do reviews, natural hair tutorials, curly hair tutorials, wash and go combos. You won't see too many like styles such as like twist outs, bantu. I don't have time for that. Or I don't know. I just feel like if I'm going to do my hair, I don't want to spend 2 hours and then it comes out and it's a flop. So wash and goes are my tried and true. They always come out good, and I'm going to show you how to get the perfect wash and go. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you for sticking with me, being on for such a long time. Again, I'm sorry, and I hope this uplifts your spirit and you are having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Thank you for the new people that are going to watch this. Remember that God loves you and so do I, and that you're so beautiful the way that you are, and that your hair is beautiful the way that it is. So I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Oh, before I close out, I want to let you know my goal is to upload at least 2 videos per week. I'm scared to say that because if I don't do it, y'all might come for me, but my goal is 2 videos per week at least. So I'm praying I can stick to that. I'm going to try. I'm not going to go on a hiatus for 2 years again. But again, just thank you for coming back, and I love you guys so much. Bye.